Yeah. We cannot see the state directly, but we can read the traces it leaves. Quantum state tomography. Turning hidden probability into a picture.
From many signs, a state appears.
A Qubit in the dark, not just zero, not just one, floating in superposition till the measurement comes. You look one time, but that will not explain the full quantum story hiding deep inside the frame. So you prepare it again, same state, fresh start. Measure from another angle, collect another part. Different bases, different views. Every shot leaves a clue until the hidden quantum map starts coming into view. Yeah, it is not magic, it is data with a plan. Statistics in the lab guided by the human hand. The density matrix tells what the system tries to hide with phase, noise, and structure, all living inside. You cannot clone the unknown, that law is real. Quantum information as a guarded seal, but repeats, measure, calculate step by step. And the shape of the state is the truth you kept.
Not seen, but understood. Not held, but reconstructed. Quantum tomography, building the light from measurements made in the quantum light. When the state stays silent, probability speaks, and the density matrix reveals what it keeps. Many angles, many signs,
one hidden pattern
starts to shine.
The born rule tells what can appear when a measurement meets the state we engineer. Row and projection, trace on the line, probability turning into something we define. What can show a pure state, clean and bright. We're mixed state, blurred by noise and flight. Coherence is the rhythm that lets phases stay. Decoherence is the storm that takes the dance away. With infinity asks how close do we land to the perfect target drawn by the plan. High means clean, low means beware. The quantum truth, goddammit, somewhere. For quantum computers, this is how we test if a Qubit really does what we request. For communication, photons on the run. Did the message keep the state from start to done? For crypto sensors and quantum light, it checks the hidden details out of sight. A diagnostic scanner for a world so small where ordinary vision cannot work it all.
Inside the noise,
A pattern remains,
inside the pattern,
truth sustains. But the bigger it gets, the harder the climb. More qubits demand more data and time. The matrix grows fast, 2 to the end and 4 to the n. -1 comes again. For small systems, powerful, sharp and clear. For huge machines, the cost gets severe. So we use it with purpose, where precision is key to tune the quantum future we are trying to see.
quantum tomography, building the light from measurements made in the quantum night. When the state stays silent, probability speaks, and the density matrix reveals what it keeps.
You cannot simply see a quantum state, but you can understand it. Measurement by measurement, basis by basis, until probability